Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about transportation in plants. In plants, transportation of materials like food, water and minerals takes place through conducting tissues called xylem and phloem. Xylem transport water and minerals from the roots to all parts of the plant. It consists of xylem vessels, xylem fiber, xylem parenchyma and tracheids. Tracheids function to provide support and water transport. Xylem vessels specialized for water transport and xylem fibers are specialized to provide support. Xylem vessels and tracheids together makes up the water and minerals transportation system. Water and minerals enter the roots by diffusion. Then due to transpiration, the suction force help in the upward movement of water and minerals. In the second diagram you can see the roots have roots here. The root here increases the area of absorption. So water and minerals from the roots are taken by xylem vessels and tracheids, and the water and minerals reach to each and every part of the plant. Phloem transport food from the leaves to other parts of the plant. This process is called translocation, the movement of soluble products from the leaves to other parts of the plant. The phloem consists of phloem fiber, phloem parenchyma, sieve tube, sieve cells and companion cells. Sieve tube and companion cells together makes up the food transportation system. Food from the leaves is transferred to the xylem by the energy of ATP molecules. Due to osmotic pressure, water enters the phloem and help in the transport of food. The diagram given of xylem vessels and tracheids, and in the second one you can see sieve tube, xylem fibers and companion cell. So if we look at the difference between transport in xylem and transport in phloem, then in xylem the flow of water and mineral is unidirectional, but in case of phloem the flow is multidirectional. The second, ATP is not required to transport water and minerals from the roots to other part of the plant. But in case of phloem, when we transfer food from the leaves, the plant require ATP molecules. Third one, xylem components are xylem vessels and tracheids. Phloem components are sieve tubes and companion cells. Thank you and have a nice day.